We see it too often. Kickers miss game-winning field goals when the pressure is on. But are these misses entirely the result of a bad kick? Our group set out to investigate how turning the laces towards the field goal kicker can affect the overall distance, trajectory, accuracy, and hang time of the kick.
Before we began, we made sure that the only variable that would affect the kick was the direction the laces were facing. As you can see in the data chart, the football was angled with the same lean for all 20 kicks, 70 to 6 degrees, and performed on a day where the wind was a negligible factor. For our experiment, we asked Alexander Theodore to demonstrate kicks with the laces facing towards him and then the laces facing away from him. The results may surprise you.
Over the course of 10 experimental kicks with the laces facing away from him, Alexander averaged 55.67 yards in total distance using GolfWorks. We found that his leg was coming through at an angle of 126 degrees with an instantaneous velocity of 54.9 miles per hour, which resulted in the football leaving his foot with an initial velocity of 47.8 miles per hour. In the chart listed below, you can see the average distance, hang time, and initial angle at which the ball leaves his foot.
But when we flipped the laces around on Alexander, the results were shocking. His average distance decreased to 48.7 yards. However, the instantaneous velocity of his leg and initial velocity of the football's movement remained almost exactly identical. In addition, most of his kicks would draw to the left. So why did this occur?
Upon slow motion analysis, we noticed that the ball would start to rotate off its axis, an average of 22 degrees, when the laces were facing towards Alexander. This led to the ball drawing to the left on kicks. In addition, the contact surface of the ball is decreased by about 15% when the laces were facing towards Alexander, leading to two shorter distances.
Because Alexander kicked with the almost identical forces for both the laces in and laces out testing, the rotation of the ball had a tremendous impact on the trajectory of the ball. When the kicking with the laces facing away, the ball rotated in end over end with an average rotation of 6 revolutions per second. When the laces were toward him, Alexander's ball rotated at an average rate of 10 revolutions per second.
Because the same average forces were applied throughout both tests, the slower rotating ball traveled a farther distance. In addition, the average maximum height attained by the ball with the laces facing away from Alexander was 42.3 feet. The average maximum height attained by the ball with the laces toward Alexander was 34.9 feet.
So in the final seconds of the game, when your team's kicker is lining up for the game winner, cross your fingers that the laces face away.